Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be sharing my latest travel adventure with you all. I recently visited Wayanad, which is in Kerala, and I cannot wait to take you along with me to see all the amazing things I experienced. So without further ado, let's get started. We started our journey around 5:40 am from Electronic City. We took Bangalore Mysuru Expressway, and here we are crossing Bandipur Tiger Reserve. We reached Wayanad around 11:30 am, and our first stop was Kanthanpara Waterfall. Before going to the resort, we first visited that waterfall. It is a small waterfall which is famous for its serene vibe. Cool and sparkling water in this silent environment is very soothing, and it is surrounded by greenery by on all sides. Here you can take bath in the stream and waterfall too. So it's worth spending your time in the embrace of nature. So according to me, it is a must visit place for every tourist on a trip to Wayanad. You can see rope is there. You can take help of that rope to get down, as it's bit slippery down there. So be careful. After that we are off to our resort after the rains. This is the dining and reception area of the resort. We just entered here. I'll show you the full view of the dining area and the reception area. Everything here looks so clean and sturdy, and the staffs are so humble and polite. Here you can see there is a library corner. Few of the books are there. You can read and spend your time. View from here was breathtaking. Surrounded by all the forests and the mountains, it was looking lush green everywhere. This view was just as impressive in person as it was all in the pictures I had seen. So I couldn't resist to take as many photos to capture the moment. Next, we headed over to take our lunch. The aroma of the local cuisine was incredible, and I couldn't wait to try everything. The lunch was absolutely delicious. After taking that lunch, we are off to our villa. Our villa is little far from our dining area, so we have to go down from the hill. Now we reached to our villa. So that is our room. It is one room villa. You can see the picturesque view of the surrounding. Now here is our room. There is sofa, TV, table, one study table with chair, a bed, and one extra cot for my daughter, and one wardrobe is there, mirror, and another table is at the corner with a little fridge inside that in the cupboard. So this is the washroom with the bathtub. They have given all the essential toiletries with that. It's really decorated with the flower and other things. This is the view from outside of the room. Here we are sitting on the swing, which is just in front of the door. They have made many viewpoints to view the surroundings, like sunrise, sunset. You can see from there. It looks so awesome, and there is a butterfly garden around that. So there are so many flowers they have planted around that area. So we are just roaming around here in the resort and seeing all the picturesque view of the surroundings. So this is the picture of other villas. These are all one single room villas, and this is the area from where you can go for parking. And this is the swing. Here they have 3 cows here. Nandini, Sundari and Kuttan. They kept it in their cottage. And now we are going down to our fishing pond, which is down in the hill. It's all in the resort only. There's too much steps to go down. Now you can see they have around 50 to 60 goats in this cottage. Now we are moving little more down to reach the pond. There is a fishing pond down there. Now we finally reached here around the pond. You can see there are so many trees, eucalyptus trees are there. Now we are doing fishing here. Let's try to catch a fish. You can see there are so many fishes in the pond. Very small fish. Very small fishes here. And we caught a fish. You can see we caught a fish here. And here it is. After that we move it from the hook and drop it in the pond again. After taking some rest, we are off to our dinner, which is very delicious. You can see the rice, dal and the sabji. I don't know what kind of sabji is there, but they are having their awesome cuisine. And now in the next day, this is the sunrise, which you can see from outside the room, or you can see it from the room also. But the view is so amazing. It's all in the forests and between the hills. Now we are having a coffee or tea in that coffee area. This is the swing, and after that we are off to our breakfast. They are having so many varieties for the breakfast. All are so awesome. On the next day, we are going to visit Ethical
reached our
Caves.
destination.
We parked our car in the parking area, which is down off the hill, and now we have to trek for reaching the cave. It took us 45 minutes to 1 hour around to reach at the top. This place is not for too young kid. Like below 2 years are not able to climb that rock and reach at the top. So this is the view from the top of the mountain. From
These
the
are all the
stories.
scriptures.
Now we move to our next stop, which was Pukode Lake. Here you can do boating or enjoy the lake. For 20 minutes they are allowed to take you the boat. After that we came back to our resort and went for swimming. This is the swimming pool of the resort, which is outdoor. And here
To our
journey end, and now we are
that
off. Concludes my travel vlog for Wayanad. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more travel content and other content also. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.